Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we will show you how to upscale images using FlexClip. On the front page of FlexClip, hover on the AI option and click AI Image Upscaler. Click to upload a blurry image or use a sample below. By the way, you can upload multiple images at once, up to 10 images. Here, log in with your FlexClip account first. Then, drag the slider to adjust the upscale size. Click Generate. A few seconds later, you'll get images with a better resolution. Click and hold on the Compare button to check the difference between the old and new photos. Click the Download button to save this image to your desktop. You can also download them all. On the History window, click an image, and you can check its specifications, download it, use it to make a video, compare the difference, delete it, share it on Facebook, Twitter, and Tumblr, or copy a link and send it to anyone easily. Back to the History window, you can also download or delete multiple photos at once. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.